Last week we explored Paria Canyon and hiked to Zebra Slot near Escalante, Utah. This week we're taking you on a hike to Lower Calf Creek Falls.
Grand Staircase Escalante National Monument spans over 1 million acres in southern Utah. Water and wind are constantly at work, and for over 1 million years, Calf Creek has carved its way deeper and deeper into the canyon.
The trailhead is located off Highway 12 between the towns of Boulder and Escalante, Utah. It's 7:30 a.m. and we're all signed in. Hot but manageable. So we are just about 2 miles in. We've got about a mile left to get to the falls.
This is a moderately difficult hike, and part of the difficulty is walking through the deep sand.
The trail goes through mineral streaked cliffs of Navajo sandstone. There are plenty of wildflowers and blooming cacti along the way.
Wow, there it is, tumbling 126 feet down a massive sandstone wall.
Calf Creek Falls gets its name because it's a box-like canyon that was used as a natural pen for calves back in the late 1800s and early 1900s.
Lower Calf Creek Falls is now one of the most popular spots in Grand Staircase Escalante, and for good reason. It's easy to forget you're in the desert.
It's hard to leave this hidden oasis, especially knowing there's a 3-mile hike back in full sun and some deep sand. Filtering water to drink on the way back should be interesting. Are you going to drink this, or am I wasting my time?
I guess if I have to.
Carol's logging us out. We did it. My watch says 7.06. I think we did a little bit more than that because I forgot to unpause it once. But we don't look so bad for 90 degrees, all sand. There's where we came from. Kiva Koffehouse is beautifully blended into the landscape. Their mission is to provide a natural setting for their guests to gather and enjoy a treat.
Delicious.
It's a chai with cinnamon and pecan muffin. I better turn this off or Carol's gonna eat it all.